Want to make your car look, feel, and drive way better without going broke? I'm dropping 10 cheap mods that will transform your ride today.
Lights? Really, Cam?
Yes, Jules. Interior LEDs change the whole vibe for like $20 on Amazon. Install takes 5 minutes and your car goes from grandpa to night cruise ready instantly.
Bro, I just hold my phone.
Which is how you crash, Jules. Get a $15 phone mount and stop risking your life in your car. Plus, you'll look less like a clown at every stoplight. Using a crusty kitchen sponge on your paint, stop. A microfiber mitt costs $8 and keeps your paint swirl-free, keeping your ride looking fresh.
Gas is expensive.
Check your tire pressure, Jules. Low tires equals trash MPG. $10 gauge saves you gas money every week. This little $40 cam can save your butt in an accident, protect against insurance scams, and catch crazy moments. Install it now before you wish you had.
Why does your car smell like feet, Cam?
Replace your cabin air filter, bro. It's $15, 5-minute install, and your AC stops smelling like mold. Tired of a slippery, hot steering wheel? Get a $15 cover for grip, comfort, and style.
Replace your cabin air filter, bro. It's $15, 5-minute install, and your AC stops smelling like mold.
Check engine light on? Don't panic. Scan it yourself. A $20 scanner tells you what's wrong before the mechanic tries to scam you.
It's so hot in here.
Replace your cabin air filter, bro. It's $15, 5-minute install, and your AC stops smelling like mold. Window tint keeps your car cool, adds privacy, and looks clean. Just make sure it's legal in your state. Don't drive blind in the rain with trash wipers. $20 for clear vision is a no-brainer mod. Quick recap. LED lights, phone mount, microfiber mitt, tire gauge, dash cam, cabin filter, wheel cover, OBD2 scanner, tint, and wipers. All under $50 each. All make your car safer, cleaner, and more fun.
Which one should they get first, Cam?
Whichever one fixes your car's biggest issue, Jules. Or get all 10 if you're serious. Hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which mod you're grabbing first to level up your car.